What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in life. I do got this hoodie on because I just came inside. It's cold as hell. I just dropped off my little brother. We are back. I took a little break. Honestly, I took a little break. I don't want to drain myself and like burn myself out making these videos because I really do enjoy making these videos, and I just don't want every day to be seen with the same thing and just you guys know what I mean. Anyway, it's gonna be a good day today. Today is Tuesday. Today's the second trading week. Not second trading week. This is the second trading day of this week. This is the second trading week of 2025. I haven't took a trade in 2025 yet. So today, if I take a trade, it's going to be our first trade of 2025. But anyway, we do got two funded accounts. Well, two funded challenges on Apex. They are 150K accounts. So today we're going to be trading one. Obviously, we're going to leverage each one. We're going to trade one, and then maybe the next day we're going to trade another one. The next day we're going to trade another one. Anyway, let's just get right into the trading session. I'm going to see you guys there. It's looking bullish. We got this 1 hour fair value gap that could be respected, but at 10, if we close above, we should be good. It's looking bullish though. Overall, we just got to see what happens. We do got news at, let me show you guys, at 10. We got PMI and JOLTS opening. And then tomorrow we got a whole bunch of news, but that's tomorrow. Today's today. We got PMI and JOLTS job opening right now. Ended up hopping into a US 30 short. We are floating 8,900. I think TP1 already got hit, so I think we'll put stop loss back to break even. And boom, now we have break even. We got another trade, but it's no risk. And yeah, we just gonna hold this out. We're gonna see if we gotta get a 1 to 2. We already got the one. We're about to get the 1 to 2 right now. If we get this low, I want this liquidity to get hit before we move up. But this is the target that I'm targeting right now, the 1 hour liquidity. And let's just see what happens. Today's a Tuesday. It is 10:02. We're on the 150K challenge, and yeah, just gotta wait. So we definitely gonna have to wait till this liquidity get taken out. It's looking like though we're gonna wait for a little bit longer. We gotta see a reaction. We did get bearish news out of the candle, but yeah, we just gotta wait till we hit this low. You know, I should be out already because I already hit a 1 to 2, but this is a funded challenge, so I want to pass the challenge as fast as I can. But yeah, we up 1,000 right now. Y'all see it? Yeah. I want to pass the challenge as fast as I can. I get funded. I have 2 accounts, by the way. I have 2 that I bought. So right now I'm trading on the first one, and then tomorrow I'll be trading on the second one. Depends how today goes, if we hit break even or if we hit TP. We pushing. We pushing. We pushing. We so close to the TP. I know this liquidity wants to be there. We go. TP hit, and now this TP we took out, this liquidity should be heading all the way up. Got a W for the day, 1,300 for the day. I already won for the day, but there's looking like another trade setup could present itself. We didn't run this previous day low yet, but we did have all this liquidity get taken out. We could get back into this 4 hour gap and then start pushing down again, but I don't know yet. I already went for the day. I'm not gonna rush anything, but if it gives it to me, it gives it to me. All right, so I didn't take this trade. I did take this trade, but I didn't take this trade on the funded account. But you know, just to take my itch off the trading after I already won, I don't want to risk anything. So to take the risk off the table, you know, get into a paper trading account on TradingView and take the trade there manually. And this is like some type of not back testing, but it's like some type of forward testing for next time. Maybe I'll have the confidence to take this entry and do it for next time. But you know what I'm saying, we ended up hitting TP, and we ended up winning on this trade once again. But I didn't take it on the funded because, you know, I don't want to risk it. I already won today. I took my W and I walked away. I took 2 trades today, 1 break even and 1 take profit. So if you ever want to take your itch off trading, hop on a paper trading account after you traded the real session. You won, lost, whatever. Hop on a paper trading account and just trade from there. All right, so as you guys saw, we did end up taking 2 trades today, 1 break even and 1 TP. I took 1 trade on NQ and another trade on on US 30. NQ trade was a little rushed, I'm not gonna lie, but we ended up breaking even. We hit TP1, we ended up breaking even, and we didn't lose anything on that trade. We didn't lose that trade. We basically won that trade because it was a break-even trade. On US 30, we did end up winning. We did end up hitting a 1 to 2.5, I think it was, a 1 to 2.5. There will be a trade breakdown towards the end of this video, so if you guys want to see that, you guys can stay for that. But anyway, we gotta get our day started. We gotta stay productive. So we won the day by winning a trade, waking up, taking a trade. Now we got to win the rest of the day, head into the gym, eating right. I'm about to make some breakfast right now. I am going to be going to different job interviews because I really do want to leave my current job. I want to push more videos, as much videos as I can to you guys. But yeah, we're going to get our day started. I'll just pick up the camera in a little bit. Y'all see it. We got the 5 eggs. We got the whole avocado. It's a little avocado, so it ain't too many calories. I'm going to cut right now. Let me show you guys something now. Oh, I'm not trying to get copyrighted. My boy TJR, my mentor, 56 grand today. Crazy. We gonna get like that soon, right? We gonna get like that soon, I promise you. Today we made a little light 1,300. Tomorrow we're gonna make another 1,300. Nah, I'm playing, but nah, I'm gonna get like this for sure. You know, if we stay consistent, we stay disciplined. You know what I'm saying? Only time will tell. All right, so now we're gonna start editing this video. Hold up. We're gonna start editing this video now. I ended up getting a little bit of sushi. I'm not gonna eat too much though, cause I am on a cut. But we're gonna start editing this video now, cause obviously I don't want to do that shit later. It is 1:40 right now. After I'm done editing up to this part, I'm gonna catch some sleep, because believe it or not, I did sleep at 6 a.m. today. You know, I was back testing till like 4. Since I am using a different strategy, I really got to get the reps in, and I really got to get the confidence to keep trading this strategy. Like today, I used the new strategy. You know, we hit a dub because of the back testing that I did last night. It's all about putting in that work and putting that consistency, and that's what I believe. So we're gonna start editing now, and I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. All right, so we are here with a trade recap. So we're gonna go over NQ's trade first. All right, so we had, I'm pretty sure it was a 30-point stop, because NQ moves way different, and it's more value, right? So we ended up taking the shorts on NQ, right? I'm pretty sure we went into profit here, and I'm pretty sure this not wicked out, but it came in, hit my stop loss. I'm lying, y'all. I'm actually lying. Hold on. I'm lying. This was not the entry. The entry was up here, bro. 2 right here. Well, it doesn't matter about to take profit, because I did end up losing. I was in profit here. Like I said, I was in up 1,000 on NQ. I did hit TP1. Then we came back up, stopped out at break even, and then we started flooding right back down. But we got the trade on US 30 right here. So we came into the market. At first we were coming in bullish because of this bullish structure, right? Obviously we did have this fair value gap here, and we have to keep in mind that we did have that fair value gap there. So obviously I'm keeping that in the back of my head. But if we broke above this fair value gap, so let's say the candle closed up here, we would have, you know, obviously been bullish for the day, because the fair value gap on the 1 hour got disrespected, right? But it ended up getting respected. And on the candle close, on the candle opening, actually, I saw this big push on the 10 a.m. I know it says 9 a.m., but it's really 10 a.m. I saw the really big push on the 10 a.m. news. I saw the news came out also bearish. So look, yeah, we came out bearish on the 10 a.m. news, and this candle came down rushing. So I was like, okay, you know, let's take advantage of the moment. And we ended up doing that. We ended up going for the sell, you know, 50-point stop loss, because 100, it's either a 100-point stop loss or a 50-point stop loss. Today I took a 50-point stop loss. It made more sense. There was no reason to risk a whole bunch of money if, you know, there's still news, like the news is just came out. So 50-point stop, hitting this area of liquidity right here. That was the main target. I could have held it to the Asian session lows, but I ended up closing it at this point right here, because, you know, it's better to win the trade and then have this, like if you guys can see, this hit around this area. We came back up to this opening, and like I said, I wanted to take another trade, but I ended up going paper trading, and ended up going on paper trading and just, you know, taking a regular trade there. Anyway, so we do, like I said, we do have 2 funded accounts that we just bought, and we're gonna start the funded account challenge. But just to show you guys eval charts, I only traded 1 so far. Obviously it's day 1, made 1,300, we're on a 150k. Profit target is, doesn't tell you here, yeah, so $159,000. So we are at 1,136. I'm planning to only go for 1-to-1s, not 1-to-1s, 1-to-2s on this challenge. So we should pass in like maybe a week or 2. And yeah, we're gonna just take it slow. Once we get funded, we're gonna go take it slow from there. Keep doing 1-to-2s, keep trading like normal, and get the payouts. I do have 2, like I said. I have this one up here and I have this one up here. I took advantage of the $16 payment. You know what I'm saying? Because it was 90% off evals and everything. Took advantage of that. Wait, I'm gonna catch you guys at the gym. So I did finish at the gym already. I did eat dinner already and everything. I took care of what I gotta do. Now I'm gonna hop in the shower, but I am gonna end the video here because I do need to go to sleep because I did not sleep anything last night. And yeah, I mean, tomorrow's another trading day. Tomorrow's another day. I'll be filming tomorrow as well. And if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.